She has studied elephants since 1972, so that's over 40 years now. Okay. Or if I say has been studying, means she started then and she's still doing it now. See?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys. So let me end this. Okay. Let's get back to our usual business. Let's see here. June 2014. Is that correct? Now, before, no, we're going to be starting directly because it's going to be a bit challenging, right? Let's start with the mistakes of, let's see, just a second. Let's start with Maryam, number 20. Oh, we should be starting with 12 as Mina, because it's also common with Karthik. So we'll start with number 12. Now, 12, Karthik, what did you face as a challenge in number 12 here?
Let me see.
The passage makes clear that what?
In the passage, they said that the middle ground, Telegraph Plateau, and Dolphin Rise were called the ancient and drowned land bridge. It's in lines 34.
Okay, lines 34. What does it say exactly? Can you tell me?
It was called as drowned land bridge.
Just a second. Let me check. Hold on. Yeah, okay. So again, what does it say? Can you tell me? Which line?
34.
34. Let's check. So line 34, people assume that this middle ground, Telegraph Plateau, or Dolphin Rise, as it was variously called, was an ancient drowned land bridge or lost continent, but sailors repairing transatlantic telegraph cable unknowingly produced evidence to prove otherwise. So the passage makes clear that all of these were names of the challenges that faced Hannah, for example. Now, why is it difficult? What's wrong with this question? What was the trouble that faced you? Hannah. Hello, Hannah? Yeah.
I was thinking that it was like, sorry. I thought it was like the account, like that account. I thought it was like.
Now, what was your answer, and why do you think it was wrong?
Oh, wait, you did. For 4, I put G, and I honestly
Now, the
didn't
question
really.
itself is what? It's
Which of the
asking me to say, which of the following alternatives to the underlying portion would not be acceptable? So it's a matter of what is not acceptable. What would you choose?
I chose H, but I didn't really have a reason. It was sort of a guess because I didn't really know which one it would be.
Great. So when I say a groom in addition, is it the same meaning as a groom also?
Sort of.
Yes, it does. So that would be acceptable, right?
Yeah.
And the same goes for additionally a groom as well, right?
Yeah.
That also makes it
Yeah.
acceptable. And when I say also a groom, it's also acceptable, right?
Yeah.
So the only one that is not acceptable, which is in a sum, or in other words, total, or like in total, right?
Oh, okay.
That's why this one is the one that I should choose because it's not acceptable. See? So if I want to underline it, I would say, give me a second. I would say the answer is definitely H. Okay? Cool. Thank you, Kaushik. Let's see.